If you're looking to add webhooks to online forms for advanced workflows, this is the video for you. I'm going to show you how to set this up quickly and easily, step by step, so you can automate your processes and streamline your workflow. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to use webhooks with your online forms, taking your workflows to the next level. Stay tuned because I've also got a special offer just for you at the end, so don't skip ahead. First, let's talk about what a webhook actually is. Webhooks are simple HTTP callbacks that allow one system to send data to another system automatically. This is super useful for triggering actions like adding form submissions to a CRM or sending leads to an email marketing tool. For online forms, webhooks can automatically pass data to the application you want to integrate with. The first step is to choose your online form builder. We're going to use a popular one today, but any platform with webhook support will work. After setting up your form, you'll want to locate the section where you can add webhook URLs. This is typically under the Settings or Integration section of the Form Builder's dashboard. Next, you'll need a webhook URL from the system you're integrating with. Let's say you're using a CRM or project management tool. You'll get this URL from the API or integrations page of that system. Most services will provide clear instructions on how to get this URL. Once you have the URL, go ahead and paste it into the webhook field in your form builder. Now you'll need to configure what data is sent. Most form builders will let you map form fields to the data parameters expected by the receiving system. Make sure that you match these fields correctly to avoid errors. After setting everything up, it's time to test the webhook. Submit a test form to see if the data gets passed to the receiving system. Check your CRM or whatever tool you're using to confirm that the data is coming through as expected. If everything looks good, you're all set. One of the key things you want to remember when setting up webhooks to online forms for advanced workflows is that they save you time and reduce manual work. When properly set up, webhooks will automate actions that otherwise would need to be done manually, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. I've tested a variety of form builders for this task, and I can confidently recommend the software we used in today's tutorial. If you want to follow along, I've got an exclusive free trial just for you. The link is in the description below. Be sure to grab it while you can. Now, let's quickly summarize the key points from today. First, pick a form builder with webhook support. Then, grab the webhook URL from the system you want to integrate with and paste it into your form settings. Map the form fields correctly and test your setup to ensure everything is working smoothly. Webhooks will automate your processes and save you time. Before you go, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial link in the description. It's a great opportunity to follow along and start automating your workflows. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.